Hi, I'm Teresa Lamry. I'm from Minnetonka High School in MN District 3, and this is my submission for the Congressional App Challenge, SparkAI. Now, SparkAI is an online code editor intended to help beginners learn to code and make their own websites while also being as accessible to as many people as possible. Now, SparkAI was created for an event I'm organizing with a few of my friends called SparkHS. But in the future, we're planning on releasing it for the general public. While we were organizing the event, we realized two things. There was a massive learning curve for beginners who wanted to be in the competition, and computers and other devices may be inaccessible to students in underdeveloped communities. SparkAI solves both of these by not only teaching you how to code and coding for you, but it can also be accessed on any device with internet connection, even your phone. SparkAI was programmed in vanilla JavaScript, HTML, and CSS with a Node.js server backend. Some of the front-end libraries I used are first CodeMirror, which allows you to run code completely in the client-side browser, and Interact.js for resizing and dragging. Using these pre-built libraries allows me to focus on other parts of the website without having to worry about any of that. And across the entire project, it's around 40,000 lines of code. Now, just going right into it, you can immediately tell that it looks nothing like other code editors. Not only do we have a beginner-friendly UI, but there were lots of careful choices that were made to almost welcome the user and try not to scare them away from what otherwise may be associated with coding. We have a full panel of widgets over here, but also there are a bunch of different layouts and also themes that a user can choose from. This one's my favorite though. Additionally, by pressing the unlock button, users can resize and even drag different parts of the window. What really makes this special is SparkAI, the AI model behind this. I use a tweaked version of the ChatGPT 4 API. We can just open it up right here. By deselecting this button to include the code, we can go to a smaller language model. This is for asking quick questions and things that don't really need lots of analysis. You can ask them right now. Now that we've typed our question, we can select a different mode. We have write, debug, and explain. For this one, we're going to go with explain. And then we just wait for it to answer. And here you go. Gives us a full answer. Now, let's say I wanted to add an animation to the website. What we can do is we can go into full screen, go here, and press this button. Now we unlock it and we can move it around. That's great. And we're able to see both views at the same time. Now for the animation. And we press right. And then we press this button, which only copies the code region. And here's the code that we get. It also leaves comments for us here. Press run code, which runs the JavaScript code. All the other code runs automatically live. And then we press it, and would you look at that, it turns red. Now, if you want to do something even better, you open up SparkAI again. This time we select the include code button. This will include all of the other files for a clock, and press right this time. Now this switches to the GPT-4 model instead, and when you look at that, we finally have our code. What we do is press the copy button and paste that there. Now what we can do is press run code, and there you go, we have a working clock right now. Ooh, the issue, it's in military time. And then we press debug this time. And as you can see here, it explains the details of the code, not only by first screening a short answer, but by also fully explaining the choices it made. And there you go, we have this, copy this here, and we copy this code here, and press run code, and now you can see 7:03 p.m. That's perfect. The time you're watching this, SparkAI is probably already released, and if you want to try it out for yourself, you can go to ai.sparkhs.org. Have a good day.